Just put a new light bulb in and see if the light works. See the headlight light turn on. The light is not working, so it's not the light bulb. So we need to figure out what causes that. So go to the fuse box. Some car is different, but this one is here under the hood. And the left low beam is 15 amp. So it's the 15 amp here. And you check the fuse. Put that here. Feels good. So it's not the fuse. Put this back. Now next thing you need to remove the little plug down there. Down there to check the voltages. The plug go into the ballast. Take this one out of the way. See the little brown plug there? That's the one I need to take it out to check the voltage. I took the headlight out. See that plug? Yep. And that's this one. I'm going to test the voltage on this one. Okay, go on multimeters. And you can turn on the headlight. It's 12.39 volt. So there's negative, the wrong direction. Yep, 12.30. So I got 12 volts. So it's not this. So it has to be part of the igniter or the ballast. For all the HID, they have 3 components: ballast, HID bulb, and igniter. So I test the light bulb, put a new one on it. It doesn't work. So I'm going to test this one with the new one from eBay to see with the old one. These are all old part, and this is the eBay part. Okay, what I'm going to do is, this is the eBay new part. That one with different number 2702. This is the old part 3317. They come with my car. This is the eBay part. I'm gonna swap this one, the igniter, to my original ballast. Put in the housing. I'm gonna take it to the car. Okay, I have it plugged in to the original one with the eBay igniter, and hook it up and turn on. Let's turn on the headlight. Well, it works. So the problem is the igniter, not the ballast. So the problem found out is the not the light bulb, but this thing is broken. The reason I don't swap the broken one to the eBay one, because this one, the broken one can burn this one, so damage this one. That's why I swap this one, my original one, with the igniter from eBay. So that's how you fix the problems. Thanks for watching.